Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about some of the problems, exercise problems in the AP. Now we'll continue with the problems. So in the last class, we did till 11th problem. Now we do the 12th problem. So the question is: so find the sum of 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Okay, we need to find 40 integers which is divisible by 6. Okay, so now first we'll write what is our AP is. So we know that divisible by 6 they given. So first 40 integers that asking, first 40. Okay, if it is first 40, so you can take it as first number is 6. Next number divisible by 12 is nothing but 12. Divisible by 6 is nothing but 12. So next is 18. So up to how many terms they are asking? So n is equals to 40 they are asking. Okay, now what is a value is equal to 6 and d value is equals to a2 minus a1. Again it is also 6. So why? Because a2 minus a1, that is 12 minus 6, which is equals to 6. So d also is equal to 6. Now we know that Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so then Sn, that is S40, which is equals to, so 40 divided by 2 into 2, a value is 6 plus n minus 1, that is 40 minus 1 into d value is 6. Okay, then S40, which is equals to, so 20 into 6 to the 12 plus what is that, 39 into 6. So now if you simplify this, so what will get? S40, which is equals to 20 into what is that, 30, write this 12 as it is, plus 39 into 6. So 39 into 6 is 234. Now simplify this, S40, which is equals to 20 into 30 234 plus 12, so that is 246. So 246 into 20, so that is S40, which is equals to 4920. So S40, which is equals to 4920. I assigned this as problem, homework problem. So I hope all of you got the same answer. Okay, next problem. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. So 8 is there. It is also same as the first problem. I mean, that is a 12th problem. So you need to, here that is 6. Now it is 8. Okay. So what is how to do this? So we know that a is equals. Okay, first we'll write the AP. So multiples of 8 as detailing. So here 8, 16, 24, etc. are up to n. How many terms? N is equals to 15. Okay, so here a is equals to 8, d is equals to a2 minus a1. So a2 is 16 minus 8, so therefore d is equals to 8. So then n is equals to 15. Okay, so here Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S15, n value is nothing but 15. S15 is equals to 15 by 2 into 2 into a. A value is 8 plus 15. N is 15 minus 1 into d value is 8. Okay. S15, which is equals to 15 by 2 is nothing but 7.5. 8 2s are 16 plus 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 into 8. Now simplify this. S15, which is equals to 7.5 into what is that, 14 into 8. What is 14 into 8? 14 into 8 is nothing but 112. So now add this 112 plus 16. So 112 plus 16, so it's nothing but S15, which is equals to 7.5 into 128. So now 128 into 7.5, 128 into 7.5, S15, which is equals to, if you multiply this 2, so you'll get that 960. 960 960 is the answer. Is it clear? I hope all of you understood. Okay, next problem. And next problem, 14th one, and this is also easiest one. So we need to find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Okay, 0 and 50, we need to find the odd numbers. Do you know what do you mean by odd numbers? So odd numbers, and even numbers. So even numbers in the sense the number which is divisible by 2, and odd numbers in the simplest way you can tell it as the number which is not divisible by 2. Okay, for example, 1 is not divisible by completely by 2, and 3 is not divisible, and 5 is not divisible. Every alternate numbers is not divisible. So up to 50 they asked. So 50 is divisible by 2, so it is not a odd number, it is a even number. So you can take it as 49. 49 is an odd number. Okay, so now we can write here what is the given. A is equals to 1, and D is equals to A2 minus A1, which is equals to 3 minus 1, which is equals to 2. Okay, and here an is equals to, last term we know that it is 49. Okay, now we need to find Sn. So Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a n by 2 into, just a minute, we know that formula, right? N by 2 into a plus an. Why I took this a plus an? Because we don't know how many numbers are there. So first we need to find the n value here. How to find n value now? Actually it is very simple to find n value, because we know that there is a alternate numbers from 1 to 50. So alternate numbers from 1 to 50 is nothing but n is equals to 25 you can take. Why? Because 1 3 5 7 11 7 9 11 13, like this we keep on going. So 1 to 50, how many numbers were there? 50 numbers were there. So I'm taking every alternate number, so therefore it is nothing but n value is nothing but 25. So I took 25. So it is 25, which is equals to 25 by 2 into a is 1 and an is 49. Okay, then S25, which is equals to 25 by 2 into 49 plus 1 is 50. So 2 ones are 225s are. So therefore S25, which is equals to 25 into 25, it is 625. 25 into 25, which is equal to 625. This is the answer. Okay, next problem. A contract on a construction job specifies a penalty for delay of a completion behind the certain date as follows: rupees 200 for the first day, 250 for the second day, 300 for the third day, like this. So in the sense it is nothing but one construction of building something else, something like that. So suppose they give the date, suppose that he wants to he should complete by August 15th, but he delayed to complete by August 15th. So every day you need to pay penalty, that constructor need to pay the penalty of rupees 200 first day, and for next day you need to pay 250, like this 50 rupees you keep on increasing. Okay, now so here this forms an AP. Why? Because 200, 250, 300, 350, like this it's keep on. So it is forms an AP. So here A value is equals to 200, then D value is equals to A2 minus A1. So already they only mentioned here it is 50 more, so therefore you can directly write, or else we can write here it as A2 minus A1. A2 is 250 minus 200. So D is equals to 250 minus 200 is 50. Okay, so then how many days it delayed? It delayed for 30 days. So here n is equals to 30. Okay, then how much penalty you need to pay? So pay of penalty, how much money you need to pay. So it is simple. So here we go for Sn. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Can we use this formula here? Sn is equals to n by 2 into what is that, a plus an? No, we can't use this formula. Why? Because so here we don't know what is an. We know a and we know what is n, but we don't know what is an. So we need to find an first. So instead of finding an, you can directly use this formula. You can find an and you can find this one. Instead of finding this, you can directly go for this formula only. So therefore Sn, that is S50 which is equals to 50 by 2 into 2a. A value is 200 plus n minus 1. N is 30 minus 1 into d. D is 50. Okay. S50 which is equals to 50 by 2 is 25 into 2 into 200, that is 400 plus 29 into 50. 29 into 50. Okay. So if you simplify this further, S50 which is equals to 25 into, so 400 plus, so what is 29 into 50? So 29 into 50 which is equals to 1450, that is 1450. So 1450 plus 400 which is equals to S50 which is equals to 25 into 400 plus 1850. So here 1850 into 200. Okay, 1850 into 2, not 200, sorry, 1850 into 25 which is equals to S50 which is equals to, just a minute, so sorry dear students, I did one small mistake here. So what is the mistake is, so a number of days is 30, right? So now we wrote here n is equal to 30, but I while writing in the problem I wrote it as 50. Sorry for that. So if you do 50, it become very long, so therefore it is wrong. So change it to the 50. Okay, so change it to the 50, sorry, again sorry, so change it to the 30. Okay, okay, so now change it to the 30. So here 30 by 2 is 15, and again here 15, and here also 15. Now everything is fine. Okay, 15 into what is it, 1850, it is 27,750. You need to pay rupees 27,750 rupees you need to pay as a penalty. Who? Contractor. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Okay, and sorry for this. So instead of 30, I wrote as 50. So sorry for that. Okay. Okay, now we'll go for the next problem. Okay, dear students. So next problem, the sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to the students of a school for their overall academic performance. Okay, if each prize is 20 rupees 20 less than the preceding price, for example the first prize is 200, the second prize is 20 rupees less than that, that is 180, and third prize is 20 rupees less than second prize, that is 160. So like that, skip. No, I told the example, that is not the amount, that is not a first prize. So we need to find if the cash price is rupees 20 less than the preceding price. So find the value of the each of the prices. Okay, what is the value of the first price, what is the value of the second price, we need to find. Okay, we can do this in one of the different method. So let take like this, let total number of, okay, let the first price, the first price price first price be x, and what is second price, so second price second price B x minus 20. Okay, so then third price x minus 20 minus 20, that is 40. Okay, then this is third price. Fourth price, so x minus 20 minus 20, that is this one. So fifth price x minus 20 minus 20, that is x minus 80. Sixth price x minus 20 minus 20, it's a 20 minus 20 minus 20 like this. So it is x minus 80 minus 20, if we take also it is x minus 100. Then seventh price, so x minus 120. Why? Because 20 is less for each of the price. So now they told that the sum of the okay, that sum of 700 is to be used. So therefore if we add all this, first price, second price, third price, so all the 7 prices, you will going to get 700 rupees as a cash. So now we can add this minus 40, and I'm not using any AP concept here, so I solved this using a general logic. So x minus 80, then plus x minus 100, then x minus plus x minus 120, which is equals to 700. Okay, so now how to find? So x, how many x are there? 7x minus 20 40. So here this 200 and this 200, 100 plus 100 200, 200 plus 100 300, 300 plus 400 is 420, bad number. So 420, which is equals to 700. Okay, now simplify this. So 7x, which is equals to 700 plus 420, bad number. So 7x, which is equals to 700 plus 420, which is equals to 1120, that is 1120. So therefore x is equals to 1120 divided by 7. If we do that, 112, okay, then x is equals to 160 we got. So therefore we got the what is first price is. So first price is x. So first price is 160, and second 20 rupees less 140, and third 20 rupees less, that is 120, and fourth 20 rupees less, that is 100. Like this we can solve. And fifth 80, and sixth 60, and seventh is 40 rupees. So this is the cash price that 7 students got. I hope all of you understood. Okay.